With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question that was given to us is that is the product of the slopes of the common tangents of the ellipse x square plus 4y square equal to 16 and the parabola that is y square minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0 is. So we have to find the product of the slopes. So first of all, the equation of the ellipse that was given to us is that is x square plus 4y square that is equals to 16. So now if we will divide this equation that is by 16, we get the value that is x square by 16 plus that is 4y square by 16, that will become y square by 4, that is equals to 1. And we know that the general, that is the standard equation of ellipse, standard equation of ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square, that is equals to c, that is equals to the 1. This is the standard equation of the ellipse. So now by comparing this first equation and this standard equation ellipse, we get the value that the value of a square is equals to 16 and the value of b square is equals to 4. So now if we say that y is equals to, that is mx plus c is tangent to the ellipse, if we say that y is equals to mx plus c is tangent to ellipse, then the standard equation that we get from here is that is c square is equals to a square m square plus b square. We know this. So the value of c square, that will become, that is value of a square, that is 16m square plus b square, which is 4. So from here we get that c is equals to, that is under root of 16m square plus 4. So now if we solve this equation, that is this, and in the question it was given that the parabola equation is this, so we will find the point of contact by putting this y value in this equation. So the equation, that is y square minus 4x minus 4. So the equation is, that is y square minus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. Given equation of parabola, So now by putting the value here, that is we get from here, that is c value is this, so we can write it as, that is y is equals to mx and plus of, that is c, so c, that is under root 16m square plus 4. We get this value of y. So now by putting this value of y here, we get, that is mx plus under root 16m square plus 4 whole under root, that is whole square minus 4x minus 4 is equals to 0. We get this. So now we know the identity that a plus b whole square, that is a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we get, that is, if we open this whole square, we get m square x square plus, that is this under root 16m square plus 4 whole square will be equals to, that is 16m square plus 4, and similarly plus 2mx multiply by under root 16m square plus 4. So now using this identity, now we get minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0 as it is. So this 4 and 4 cancel out. We can write this equation as m square x square plus, that is, it was common, that is 2m under root 16m square plus 4 minus 4 common we take, that is x common from these two terms, we get 2m under root 16m square plus 4 minus 4x plus 16m square is equals to 0. So for this equation to be tangent, so for this equation to be tangent, to parabola, so the value of d should be equals to 0. So we know that d is equals to, that is b square minus 4ac, where d is the discriminant. So we get from this equation that this value is b, this is c, and this is a. So we get, that is equals to, that is b square minus 4ac. So we can write it as b square, which is the square of this term. So we get 2m under root 16m square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. minus 4 multiplied by a, that is m square, and that is c, that is multiplied by 16, that should be equals to 0. That should be equals to 0. So now using identity, that is a minus b whole square, that is a minus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now using this identity we will solve this question. So we get that is 2m whole square, that is equals to 4m square outside, and 16m square plus 4, this is a square plus b square, which is 16, and this will be equals to the minus 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2, that is minus 16m under root 16m square plus 4, and that is equals to minus 64m square is equals to 0. We get this. So now we can write it as, that is if we multiply 4m square by this, we get 64m power 4 plus 16m square plus 16, and we can write it as minus 64m square, that is equals to, if we take this term to this side, we get 16m under root 16m square plus 4. So now we can write it as, if we take that is m square common, first of all this 16m square and minus 64m square, we get minus 48m square, minus 48m square, and if we take 16 common, we get that is 4m power 4. Similarly, this is minus 48m square, so we get that is minus 3m square and plus of 1, and that is equals to 16m under root 16m square plus 4. This will be equals to minus 64 plus 16 and minus 48, and if we take 16 common, so we get minus 3m square. So this 16 and 16 now cancel out. So the value that we get is equals to the 4m power 4 minus 3m square plus 1, and that should be equals to the m under root 16m square plus 4. Now by whole squaring both sides, now by squaring both sides, we get, that is, we know that the formula for a plus b plus c whole square, that is a plus b plus c whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ac. So now using this formula we get, that is equals to, that is now it will become, that is 16m power 8, 16m power 8. Similarly, this will become plus of 9m power 4. So we get that is 16m power 8 plus 9m power 4, and now this will become plus 1, and that is plus 2 of AB. So we get 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 3, which is equals to minus 24 m power 6, and now 2 of BC, which is minus of 6 m square, and minus of, that is plus of 2 AC, which is plus of 8 of m power 4, and that is equals to the, this value that is equals to the m square, and in the bracket that is 16m square plus 4. So now we get the value that is become, that is it will become 16m power 8, 16m power 8 plus, that is 9m power 4 plus 8m power 4, that is plus of 17m power 4, and this will become minus 24 m power 6, and this is minus of 6m square plus 1, that is equals to, if we multiply this m square by 16m square, we get 16m power 4 plus 4m square. So when this 16m power 4 comes this side, it will become plus of m power 4, so we get 16m power 8 minus of 24m power 6 plus 17 minus 16, that is plus of m power 4 minus 6m square, and this will be, if we get minus 4m square this side, we will get minus of 10m square. This will become minus of 10m square, minus of 10m square plus 1, that is equals to 0. So now we get the, that is the equation of the degree 8. So we get, that is product of roots, that is equals to the product of, that is product of slopes of common tangent, that is equals to the So we get this is the even polynomial. So this will be equals to the constant, that is k, that is 1 equals to. So we will denote this constant term by k divided by the coefficient of higher power unknown, coefficient of, that is higher, we get that is coefficient of higher power unknown. So from here we get that this value is equals to, so the constant term is equals to 1 and the higher power unknown is, that is 16. So that we get that is 1 by 16. So our final answer that is equals to 1 by 16. So now from the options we will see that is our option 2, that is 1 by 16 is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.